Hi everyone and welcome to Beat the Rush. This is where I share my vegetarian food, so if that's your thing, consider subscribing. Today I am showing you some of the vegetarian meals I had on my Ireland road trip. Let's start millennial style with some avocado toast. These were not hard to find, especially in places with all-day breakfast, and everyone seems to love them. Next, the traveling vegetarian best friend, pizza, and its close relative, cheesy bagel. I believe I've never been to a country where I couldn't find tomato and cheese pizza, and I love pizza so much, I'm sure you probably do too. Vegetarian noodles were also frequently available, so I had them more than a couple of times. I saw vegetarian curry in some restaurant menus, so I assume it's pretty common, but it might have been a coincidence. Also, veggie burgers and soups with Irish bread, which, let me tell you, was so good. I really need to make some Irish bread at home. Just send me your recipes. Fries and mushy peas are also frequently available, although probably not the healthiest meal. And when in Ireland, do yourself a favor and visit one of the Happy Pear restaurants. We had the taco bowl and the Buddha bowl, and the salad bowl in their airport restaurant. So overall, I found it easy to find vegetarian food in Ireland, both in restaurants or in supermarkets, but more about that next week. Don't forget to check the website for my vegetarian recipes, and consider subscribing so we can beat the rush together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.